Hi everyone, it's Kimber, the Study Abroad Specialist here. And in today's video, it's gonna be a short one. I just wanted to get on here to announce the launch of my brand new 90-minute free e-course, which is called Surviving Your First Month of Study Abroad. So with this e-course, it is a lot of fun. There's a lot of information packed within 90 minutes. We are gonna be covering a variety of different things, including how to adjust to your study abroad program. So getting adjusted and getting settled in, which is a huge one for students. You're in a brand new place. You may or may not know people. And so we want to get you adjusted and settled in. We then cover budgeting, because budgeting is a huge part of study abroad. And I want to make sure that you keep most of your money. So we're going to talk about budgeting, and there's also a free budget template within the course that you can use throughout your entire study abroad experience so that you can make sure that you're staying on top of your money. Then we also talk about homesickness, and we talk about safety. These are two areas that I feel that sometimes a lot of people who have studied abroad or people who are looking for information on study abroad, they may just sort of gloss over that. But homesickness is a huge part for a lot of study abroad students, and we want to dive into ways to navigate that. And then also with safety as well, this is something that a lot of students may not take into account, but you are often more vulnerable as a foreign student, no matter where you're going. It's just that you're in a place as an outsider, and so you want to think about some ways to be more cognizant of safety. And so we talk about that. And last but not least, we talk about how to make friends and expand your professional network and make those connections that hopefully last a lifetime. So it is a lot packed into 90 minutes. You can take it from start to finish within 90 minutes, or you can take it as you would like. Once you access the course, you're able to get in and out as many times as you would like. So to go ahead and enroll in this course, all you're going to need to do is to click on the link that is at the top of the description below and head on to the landing page, and you're just going to put in your first name. You're going to need to put in your email address, and then if you would like to, you can go ahead and put in the name of your current college or university, or if you're in high school or secondary school, you can put in the name of that school. And once you click on the Access Mini Course button, you're going to be able to get straight into the course. Now, one of the things I wanted to point out was that there is a Q&A section of the course. I'm in there every day answering questions as they come along. And so if you have any questions, definitely put that in the Q&A section, because I want other people to be able to see it as well, so that we can start building that camaraderie in that community. And a lot of people probably have the same questions. So definitely drop that into the Q&A section. And then we also have a Facebook page that is related to the e-course, and it's a private page, so it's just for people enrolled in the e-course. So definitely check that out. There's a link in the course for that as well. And I lastly wanted to point out that this is great for anyone. So if you're in high school or secondary school, if you're in college, if you're in university, as long as you are a student who is planning to study abroad, maybe you are currently working on an application, maybe you are towards the end of your application, maybe you've already been accepted, but you're just waiting to go. It doesn't matter. This is perfect for anyone who is thinking about their study abroad program and trying to figure out, how do I actually get started once I get there? That is why I created this course, because I know from personal experience how difficult it can be to get adjusted, get started, and how sort of starting off on the right foot is going to make such a difference. And I want to bring that to you. So with that being said, please definitely go ahead and click the link below, get started, enroll in the course, and I cannot wait to see you over there very soon.